All right.
Going.
So we're going to do circulatory system for shark. So starting out, here's their heart. And unlike the mammals, or unlike the cat, this is a two-chambered heart, one atrium, one ventricle. So you can see right away that the very large, strong one here, very muscular one is the ventricle, just like in the cat. And then behind it, dorsal to it, is this shriveled sac-like thing. And this is the atrium. So again, the atrium its only real job is to collect blood from the body. Being a shark, they don't have lungs, so they don't really have a need for a separation of that. So one atrium collects all the blood from everywhere in the body, pushes it into the heart, and the heart pumps it out. So instead of an aorta, this is called conus arteriosus right here. So this large artery leaving, and I'm not going to get too far up. Your diagram has some of the major arteries and stuff in the neck and throat. I'm not going to worry about that too much. But conus arteriosus, you should definitely know, just right here. I should use my probe, shouldn't I? Where's my probe?
Oh, is your probe on the other?
All right, fuck it. We'll move with it. All right, so conus arteriosus is right here. Ding, ding, ding. And these little superficial arteries, which you can see on the outside, are actually coronary arteries. We're not going to hold you responsible for those, but those bright screaming pink ones are the arteries which feed the heart itself. And then from the bottom here, without worrying too much about veins, which I won't. Ugh. Oh man, sorry. Okay, so you can't see it that well, but what you can see is this large pouch that's connected to the heart. You have the atrium here, but then you have this large area right here.
Oh, it's juicy.
It's very juicy. Good.
Ew. Oh, God, the sounds.
Oh, cool. All right, well, anyway, this large area right here that I'm sort of holding, it's right behind the atria that empties into the atria, is called the sinus venosus. Sinus venosus is where you get all of the it's basically equivalent to a vena cava, so it's where blood from everywhere would collect before going into the atrium. And that's all I'm going to worry about in terms of the heart and in terms of what's going on right next to the heart. What you can see very prominently moving down the side are these giant lateral abdominal veins. So there's one here, and there's a big one that runs right here. And the corresponding artery, lateral abdominal arteries right here. But lateral abdominal veins are the ones that I really want you to focus on because they're easy targets. All right,